Here's your MaRS Monthly Roundup. MaRS named Grace Lee Reynolds as CEO, who brings nearly 30 years of experience in the public, private, and philanthropic sectors, including more than 10 years at MaRS as head of development, CFO, and president of MaRS Discovery Enterprises. Amid the growing threat of a trade war, MaRS Mornings brought together industry experts to strategize and share insights in the event of cross-border tariffs. CERT Systems, X-Atoms, and 10 other MaRS ventures have been named to the Canadian Innovation Exchange's 2025 Startup Awards. Toronto-based startup Carbon Hound announced a special partnership with RBC that helps companies working with the bank assess and manage their greenhouse gas emissions. By the Numbers, Flash Forest, a startup that's working to automate reforestation, tallied up the number of trees it planted last year using its drone technology. The number? A whopping 1,019,470 trees. Moleculite, which makes handheld devices to identify and assess bacteria in wounds and surgical sites, raised $39.5 million. Stormfisher secured a $50 million US commitment, which will help the company accelerate its green hydrogen projects in Canada and the States. And MaRS Momentum company HydroStore locked down $200 million US in financing to implement its clean energy storage solution in Australia, California, and here in Ontario. Keep following MaRS for the latest success stories in tech and innovation.